thunderstorm warning for Ward County, western Harnett County, Lee County, southern Chatham County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Goldstone to near Carthage to near Pinehurst, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Southern Pines, Carthage, Pinehurst, West Spring Pines, Broadway, Robbins, Foxfire, Yellowtown, and Venice. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, Lee, and Moore.